Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the lid accessible, remove the hydro jug from the bottle and drain it. Use a towel to catch spills and lay out a Phillips screwdriver, flat pry tool, and tweezers. Why begin here? Because clear access prevents damage and keeps small parts visible. Once ready, flip the lid and locate the hinge pins and the locking clip. Make sure to note their orientation for reassembly. Do not force anything. Gentle pressure reveals where clips are seated. Now you move into the complex middle. Release the locking clip by prying at the seam evenly on both sides to avoid stress fractures. Use a small flat tool and take your time. This is how you preserve plastic. Once the clip loosens, support the lid and slide or tap hinge pins out. Keep springs restrained so they don't spring away. After hinge removal, lift out the silicone gasket and the sipping straw assembly, because cleaning or replacing these parts often solves leaks. Finish by separating the spout housing from the main lid body. Inspect each component for cracks, worn tabs, or trapped debris. This explains most leaks and strange sounds. Replace any damaged gasket or spring. You reassemble in the reverse order, aligning the hinge marks you observed earlier and pressing pins back in while keeping the clip ready. If reassembly binds, stop, clean mating surfaces, and lightly wet the silicone gasket to ease seating. Troubleshooting tip. If parts still resist, photograph orientation and retry slowly to avoid breakage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.